Good evening, everyone. It's our second set and last set for this evening. Once again, welcome here at Ibo Chong, Whitford, Manila. Now I'm gonna give you your request. No, you don't know me. I tried my best to study this song for five minutes. I have never heard of this song, so please bear with me. 5 minutes lang po ako nagsipra. You give your hand to me, and if you say no, and I can hardly speak, my heart is beating so, and anyone can tell. You think you know me well, but you don't know ayun lang, yun ang yung the best namin. Natawa naman ako. You don't know me. Sorry. Ayan, well, I tried studying it for 5 minutes, pero talagang hindi nagwagi ang memory ko. But in the meantime, once again, ay welcome po sa ating mga familiar faces. Hello po. Nakakatuwa naman at bumalik kayo ng Sunday. Gonna give you a song sa Stevie Wonder. Ipapasa na lang po namin sa Bits and Pieces yung You Don't Know Me. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute told. I never thought the love would be making one as lovely as she. But OPM songs para po lahat naman na nakaka-relate. This one is dedicated para sa ano ba yun, nabubulol ako? Para po sa mga naghiwalay, nagbalikan, naghiwalay, nagbalikan. Something from Up Down Down. Sabihin ang hindi mo maamin, ipauubayan ng lambato sa hangin. Huwag mong itatapon ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Naririto ako, nakikinig sa'yo. Something from Up Down Down. For the meantime, medyo palitan na natin ang genre natin. We're gonna give you something from The Journey originally na nagkaroon si Mariah Carey ng version. Now, if you know the song, feel free to sing with us. drifted apart, and you were by my side. And so now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms. How can you see what love means to be? An open arms. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Wanted to hold you, wanted you near. How much I wanted you hold. But now that you come back tonight and 2 days, I need you to stay. And so now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms. Open, you see what love means to me. Open arms. Thank you so much, Rosanna, for Mariah Carey. Gonna give you another Mariah Carey song. If you don't mind, wala naman po kayong choice. Ako lang po ang kumakanta. But of course, para po mayroon kayong gustong marinig na songs, any songs you wanna hear, do let us know. Para alam po namin kung anong mga sound trip nyo. Here's another one. There's a hero if you look inside your heart. You don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that knows you're not too late. And then a hero comes along with a strength to carry on, and you cast your fears aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see there's a room that a hero lies in you. It's a long road when you face the world alone. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. You can find love if you search within yourself. The emptiness you felt tahimik nyo. It's Mother's Day, guys. It's a day to celebrate. Once again, sa mga bagong dating po, I would like to greet everyone, sa lahat po ng nanay, single dad, single mom, ano pa ba? At kung ano-ano pa pong nanay, basta may inalagaan kayo at nagpakananay kayo sa kung ano man pong living thing, living creature sa mundo. Happy, happy Mother's Day po. Salamat po sa inyong mga sakripisyo. At dahil Mother's Day, I'm gonna offer you, happy Mother's Day din sa akin, ha. Ayun, ito alam ko po to. Gonna give you a song, something from Bette Midler. Dedicated po sa lahat po ng nanay ngayong gabi. Actually, dedicated ko dito sa mama ko. Hindi siya nakapunta ngayon, pero ako You must have been colder in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine. That's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. That I can fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. It's dedicated to all the moms out there. Dedicated to my mama also. You might have a petticoat unnoticed, but I got it all within my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know it. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything, everything I wish I could be. Oh, and I could fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. For you are the wind beneath my wings. Thank you so much. Ang hirap ng kanta ngayon. Fairness, no? Mahirap. Parang muntik na akong maiyak. Ayan, meron tayo dumating na request. Maraming salamat po sa biyaya. Nakaramdam Ang bango. Amoy mo. Ang bango. Ang bango nito pag marami. Gusto ko yung amoy na to eh. And meron tayong tumating na request palagi. Araw gabi at saka Superstar. Superstar by Carpenters. Actually, gusto ko to. A very, very sad song. Pero yung pagkakakanta nila parang masaya eh, no? Yung tempo ng song. Gonna give you something from Carpenters, your request. Ito po yung version namin. Actually, first time na namin ito kakatayin, pero sabi ko ng version na namin to. Long ago, and oh so far away, I fell in love with you before the second show. Your guitar, it sounds so sweet and clear, but you're not really here. It's just a radio. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh, baby, I love you, I really do. Is our version of this song. Loneliness is such a sad affair, and I can hardly wait to be with you again. What to say to make you come again, come back to you again, play your sad guitar. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 oh, baby, I love you, I really do. Don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? You said you'd be coming back this way again, baby. Baby, 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 ooh, baby, I love you, I really do. Thank you so much. That was not even Pia, tayo. First time po namin kinanta yun. So, sa mga The Carpenters, napakalungkot na kanta na mas pinalungkot pa namin. Meron tayo ditong ano pa bate, just turned 100. Nasaan ito? Ay, your mom. Happy, happy birthday! Last April 21, 2026, just turned 100 years old. Naku, may 100,000 siya sa gobyerno. Tama ako, di ba? 200? 200 na ba? Grabe. Parang gusto kong tumanda na hanggang 100. May 200,000 ka, no? Tapos makakapag... Happy, happy birthday po sa mama mo. Ang request is diamonds are forever. Hindi ko... Actually, di po, ang alam ko lang nito, diamonds are forever. Ang gandun lang po yung alam ko doon. Ako, papakamot ako sa ulo. Yung mga request ngayon, medyo nasusubukan tayo, no? Actually, napakarami ko pong 50s, 60s na kanta, pero ngayon lang po ako naka-encounter itong mga gantong request. I'm very sorry for this song. Siguro po baka may iba pang favorite si mami mo. Tutti Frutti. Anyway, eto pa, mag-offer pa ako ng isa pang song for all the moms na nandito. Lahat po ng nanay na nagsakripisyo, nagpuyat, nagpalit ng diaper, nagpagatas, lahat na po. Here's another song dedicated to all the moms out there. Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. Happy Mother's Day po. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true. Since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in the storm we'll find some light. Knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am. I want to remember how it feels to touch you. Now I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes looking through the eyes of love. Thank you so much. Wala silang request, nagbigay lang. Thank you so much po. Ay, tapos na pala. Alam ka tapos na. We have another request for the song Araw Gabi. Tatagal-tagal ko na pong hindi nakakanta to. Kala ko tapos na kami sa kantang to eh. Ah, sige. Saan po galing itong Araw Gabi? Yung nag-request nilang palagi. Hi sir, hello po. Hope you enjoy this one. Sumulat na awitin para sa'yo, para akong isang sira, ulong hilo at lito sa aking maminanukyado, bigla na ipinilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang tungkol sa naman kaya awitin para sa'yo. Di biro ang gawing suka ang titig sa tono. Sampu man aking diksyonaryo kung ang tugma'y di gusto. Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. Ay, papalaktok na po kayo bago po ako mag-chorus. Ayan, ganyan. Araw, gabi, nasa isip ka, napapanagiling ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw, gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. course, standby for our back-to-back performer, which is the Bits and Pieces, na sigurado kung mag-enjoy kayo, mapapasayaw po kayo. Ako po ay display lang dito at taga-painit lang po ng ulo. Yun lang po ang display ko rito. Anyway, meron tayo dumating na request. Nasaan na yung papel? Puro tissue tayo ngayon, oh. Nalulungkot po ako. Parang may pabati yun, eh. Ayun. Happy birthday, Tony Atienza. Nasaan ito? Ay, hello po, sir. Pwede ko bang ma-invite everyone to sing with me? Para po sa birthday ni Mr. Tony Atienza. Kung okay lang naman. Come on. Everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And of course, in behalf of the staff management of Winford Manila Hippodrome, together with me and Gab and Louie and Bits and Pieces, we would like to greet Mr. Tony Atienza. A happy birthday. Thank you so much for choosing Hippodrome Winford Manila as your celebration ground. Maraming salamat po. At grabe, dahil birthday ni Sir Tony Atienza, may request siya. I love you, goodbye. Grabe, pasok na pasok sa nagbo-birthday to. Sir, tayong request dito dumating. Tonight, I give in. Sige, isa-isahin po namin yung request yung pagkakasyahin po namin sa oras namin. Sa mga hindi po aabot na request, ipapasok po namin sa kabila. Gonna give you your request para kay Boss Tony Atienza. Your request. May pinagdadaanan ba? Diyos ko naman sa edad ni Boss Tony, may pinagdadaanan ka pa. Pupunta po ako dyan, okay lang? Sa ayaw at sa gusto niyo. Wish I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you, but baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, there's something I can't do. No, I could say I'll be all you need, but that would mean that I know I'd only hurt you. I know I'd only make you cry. I'm not the one you need, and I love you. Goodbye. And I hope someday you can find some way to understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You'll find someone who'll be the one that I can it tears me up inside. But I'll never be the one you're needing. I love you. Goodbye. And baby, it's never gone nowhere now. I love you. Goodbye. Thank you so much. Nag-walk out na naman. Pag kinakanta ko po yung nag-walk out talaga ako. Anyway, meron tayong dumating na request din dito, maybe this time. How did you know I'll be there? Or maybe this time na lang. Something from Sarah G. And somebody for the other requests. At salamat po sa mga nagbibigay at nakaka-appreciate po ng pinaggagawa namin dito. Gusto para sa mga nagbabalikan ng kanta natin. Two old friends meet again. They're in older phases. Talk about the places they've been. request song. Sa mga hindi po namin mape-play na request, we're gonna give it to the next band, which is the Bits and Pieces, para po mag-enjoy na po kayo. At alam ko nakakaantok ako. Pro love song, ano? We're gonna change the beat. Ay, hindi pala. May isa pa tayong request. Tonight, I Give In. Sige, itatry ko lang po to. Sobrang tagal ko na pong hindi nakakanta. Somebody walked into my life, and he's right on time. Somebody looked into my eyes, and he read my mind. And it's you. I only need to tell you that it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed. Then come to me. Somebody walked into my heart, and to my surprise, somebody's tearing me apart, and it feels just fine. And it's you. I've waited oh so long to say it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed. And tonight I give in to the feelings. Tonight I give in to the thrill of loving you. Tonight I give in to believing. I hear you say you'll always stay. Somebody turned my life around, and I'm not the same. Suddenly I don't hear a sound, only your name. And I really need you. Tonight I give in to the feelings. Tonight I give in to the thrill of loving you. Tonight I give in to believing we'll always stay in love's way. Oh, tonight I give in to the feelings. Yes, tonight I give in to the cause. Tonight I give in to believing, darling, you're everything I ever dreamed. Then come to me. Somebody walked into my life. Thank you so much, and that will be all for this set, for this night. I would like to see you guys next week, Sunday. Every Sundays for the whole month of May. My name is Gab, together with Louie. Good night, everyone.